In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void an envelope in Docusign. Whether you've sent a document that needs to be retracted or there was a mistake in the document itself, voiding an envelope effectively halts the signing process and notifies all parties involved. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can handle this with ease. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Docusign website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Docusign homepage. It's a single, organized window that allows you to access all the features Docusign has to offer. Now, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on the Agreements tab. This is where you can access all the documents you've sent for signing. You'll find yourself in the Agreements section, displaying all envelopes, whether they're in progress, completed, or awaiting action. Scroll through your list of envelopes to find the specific document you wish to void. If you have a lot of envelopes, you might use the search feature to quickly locate it. Once you've found the envelope in question, click on it to open the detailed view. This will give you a comprehensive overview of its status, including all parties involved. In the detailed view of the envelope, look for the option labeled More. It's usually situated towards the top or in a drop-down menu, depending on your version of Docusign. Clicking on More will present you with several available actions related to the envelope. From this list, click on the Void option. Upon selecting Void, Docusign will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is a crucial step, as voiding an envelope means ending the signing process and notifying all recipients involved. It's recommended to add a reason or note explaining why the envelope is being voided. This note will be sent to everyone involved in the document process and provides clarity, helping to prevent any misunderstandings. Once you're satisfied with your input, go ahead and confirm your decision. Voiding an envelope in Docusign is generally irreversible, so make sure this is the action you want to complete. After you've voided the envelope, all parties will receive notification emails explaining that the document has been voided. This ensures transparency and allows the recipients to understand why the document will not proceed with the signing process. And that's it. You now know how to successfully void an envelope in Docusign. This can be a handy tool whenever you need to manage your documents effectively and ensure that the right information is being circulated. Voiding a document halts any further actions by recipients, maintaining control over your document workflows. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to follow along for more insightful tips and tutorials.